Hey, incredibly quick guide of how to do perfect cuts in Premiere. So you can see here, I say France, France. There we go, France. There we go. There's two things wrong with this. Can you see what those problems are? Can you see what they are? That's right, France. There's a big gap here. So we need to remove roughly about 2/3 of that. Snip, France. But remember, you don't want to remove me actually pronouncing words. So, and so this would be a bad cut. France. There we go. France. But there's also a problem with the beginning of this next sentence. As you can see, it comes in too sharply. There we go. There needs to be a tiny little gap. But luckily, there's lots of gap on the end here. So what you can do is just use the slide tool. Is it called the slide tool? Yep. And shimmy it forward a little bit. So you've got a little bit of silence. Make a nice little cheeky trim there. And play it back. And you have mastered audio. France. There we go. Recruit France Spy. Beautiful. And now the audio will very smoothly transition through the video without any abrupt cuts.